A day in my life as a makeup artist here sa Southern Leyte. Hi mga Beb! For today's vlog, medyo different siya kay dili lang makeup atong makita. Before ninyo makita ang mga candidates nga naka-gown, naka-makeup o naka-hairdo, pag ready na kayo para sa coronation night, naasan niyo sa ka-whole journey nga wala ninyo makita. From pangita og sponsor, shopping sa sugod, pag-decorate, pagkapoy o pag-abot og kadlawon, and hangtod sa pinaka-exciting part ang coronation night mismo. And honestly, this is one of very special to me because I was not just only the makeup artist, kay part po to sa preparation behind the scenes. So if curious mo kung sa ka busy ako sa coronation night behind the camera, kuyugi me from preparation until the moment nga mahatag na ang crown. And yes, wait until the end kay nada three beautiful girls, three dreams, and three stories nga akong gusto i-share ninyo. And before to nag-start sa decoration, nasa jud mi usa ka problema mga Veb. Kaya ang budget ni Mami Ron na medyo na short para sa decoration. So instead nga mag-give up or mag-less sa among vision, nangita mi possible nga makatabang. And thankfully, daghang salamat kayo kang nang Merlinda Cruzada for sponsoring the decoration. And honestly, dako yung tabang para namo. Kay even the smallest detail sa decoration makahatag og difference sa overall look sa event. So after everything mga Veb, nag-shopping na mi para sa decoration. And if you think na simple ra ang pagpangita og decoration mga Veb, girl, dili gyud. Kay kinahanglan jud nimo i-imagine daan kung unsaon nimo pag-arrange ang whole place. Unsa nga color ang bagay as ibutang flower o pila ka pieces ang kinahanglan. And after sa nakumpleto ang mga supplies, next challenge na to is ang decoration time. So nagsugod na mi og decorate mga Veb, and honestly kani nga part sa vlog kay mao gyud ang proof na behind every beautiful event, naadyo mga taong nagtrabaho behind the scene. Daghang salamat kaayo kang Angel Corono, Mary Joy Codal ug sa mga voice Mary to pink to sparkly and to finally Barbie. Pero mga Veb, napay usa ka problem kay gigapoy na mi, and guess what? Naabda na mi kadlawon mga Veb. So habang nag-decorate mi, thank you pud kaayo kang kagawad Raynan for giving us snack. And of course, special mention pod sa lugawan sa tagpuan for our midnight snack. And grabe, perfect jud kaadyo ang lugaw after hours of decorating. At this point, murag dili na ni coronation preparation kay murag survival challenge na. Pero bisan kapoy, every time nga makita mi nga nindot na ang setup, mawala gamay ang kakapoy. Kay makahuna-huna ka nga worth it ra jud ni tanan, and finally human niya jud mi mga Veb. Pero wala pa jud na human atong trabaho diri mga Veb no, because the next day is coronation night na. And finally, the big day is here, and karon makeup artist mood na pudta. After all the preparation from the previous day, karon naman ang focus because sometimes a little makeup can help someone feels a little more confident and a little more powerful mga Veb. And ready na ilang face sa big stage. And habang nag-makeup me, of course, naapod backstage moment, mga chika, mga katawa, and mga moment nga kulang na kayog oras. Okay, next candidate, here na ta, ready na ang gown, and that's reality behind every glam event. Sa camera mga Veb, murag calm and beautiful ra, pero behind the scenes, pure chaos mga Veb. But somehow, we always make it work mga Veb. And then, the moment we've been waiting for, the coronation night. After all the shopping, the decorating, and sleepless night, the makeup and the hair, finally, makita na namo sila sa stage from preparation room to backstage. sa production number and everything started to come together. And as a makeup artist, lahiro dyan ang feeling nga makita ni mo imong client na nag-perform sa stage. Kaya ikaw mismo nakita sa ilang journey before they step into that spotlight. You saw them before the makeup, before the gown, and before the crown. And karon, they're starting their confidence. And one of the highlights sa evening was the awarding of Photogenic. And guess what mga beb? One of my girls won. Oh, thank you, Dad. Compliment on every moment on that stage. So Juliana Kodal, our third runner-up, you showed us that beauty is not about how we look, it's about how you carry yourself, how you treat people, and how you continue to believe in yourself. And to Jolie Ferrell Adi, our fifth runner-up and our Miss Photogenic, and yes, seeing you receive Miss Photogenic Award was such a beautiful moment for me because as a makeup artist, one of the biggest compliments is see your clients shine in front of everybody. But more than just the crown, more than the title, and more than the award, I'm proud of the strong, kind, and brave young ladies you become because I believe these crowns will eventually be placed somewhere. The picture will eventually become memories. But the confidence, lessons, friendship, and experience you gain from this journey, those are the things that you will carry with you. And just bye, Moy.